Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your layers look like this on CapCut PC and how to fix it. So I'm just going to add in some videos like so. And for instance, I want to have this video on top of this video, but if I move it up here, as you can see, this remains on the very top, and same goes if I move this up here as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to not click on anything. Then you're going to click on modify and you're going to enable free layer. You cannot be turned it off though after you've saved it, but that's okay because this will make editing a lot easier. Press save, and for instance, I want this to be on the top video and not this one. So now if I move that, it's going to be on top. And I can like add in text behind the video and so forth. It's just easier that way. And if you want to make it like this for all of your videos, just go to menu, go to settings, go to edit and enable free layer and press save. So whenever you open up a new project, it's going to stay the same and you won't have to order layers anymore, like rearrange them, I guess. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.